The ketogenic diet, a regimen high in fats and low in carbohydrates, is designed to push the body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. Unlike many diets that focus merely on caloric intake, keto emphasizes a specific macronutrient ratio, heavily favoring fats, moderating proteins, and minimizing carbs. This approach starkly contrasts with traditional diets that often promote high carbs for energy. The science underpinning keto reveals that by dramatically reducing carb intake, the body has to turn to fat, producing ketones in the liver for energy, thereby optimizing fat loss and enhancing metabolic efficiency. Embracing a ketogenic diet offers a multitude of health benefits. Notably, it facilitates significant weight loss by optimizing the body to burn fat as a primary fuel source. This diet is also celebrated for enhancing mental clarity and boosting energy levels, attributes that can transform daily functioning and overall well-being. Moreover, keto has shown promising outcomes in managing and mitigating chronic diseases. For instance, its impact on reducing blood sugar levels can be instrumental for diabetes management. Additionally, there is evidence suggesting its effectiveness in reducing the frequency of epileptic seizures, providing a dietary alternative to conventional treatment modalities. Initiating a ketogenic diet begins with understanding and calculating your macronutrient requirements, which means determining the specific intake of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates tailored to your body's needs. Important in this process is choosing the right foods. High-fat, low-carb foods like avocados, cheese, and lean meats are staples, while sugary snacks, grains, and high-carb vegetables should be avoided to maintain ketosis. Transitioning to keto involves gradual dietary adjustments to minimize discomfort and maximize adherence. Keeping hydrated and supplementing electrolytes is crucial during the early stages to counteract the initial flu-like symptoms commonly experienced. Transitioning to a ketogenic lifestyle can present several challenges, including the keto flu, which manifests with symptoms akin to influenza due to carb withdrawal. Overcoming this involves staying hydrated and maintaining electrolyte balance. Social settings pose another hurdle, as dietary restrictions can make communal eating a challenge. Pre-planning meals and communicating dietary needs can ease this process. Cravings for high-carb foods often occur, and finding keto-friendly alternatives that satisfy these urges can be crucial for long-term success. Developing a supportive community, either online or in person, can also provide motivation and resolve common obstacles effectively. Sustaining a ketogenic lifestyle over the long term requires careful planning and adaptation. Regular meal planning is essential. It helps in maintaining the right balance of macronutrients while keeping meals varied and enjoyable. Modifying traditional recipes to fit keto parameters allows for creativity and prevents dietary boredom. An important aspect of maintaining keto long-term is the strategic reintroduction of carbohydrates, which should be done cautiously to avoid disrupting the state of ketosis. This gradual reintroduction helps to assess individual tolerance levels and ensures that the metabolic benefits of ketosis are maintained without feeling deprived.